Hi Chef Mels.
Hi guys.
What are the must-have spices for every cook's kitchen?
Okay, my top favorite is, and they must be fresh. Remember, if your spices are old, that's not sexy anymore. So I have, as a rule, because you can blend your own spice mixes, I have turmeric, I might have cumin, coriander, smoked paprika. I like to have gorgeous salt, so maybe like a Malden flake salt or one of those salt flakes. You can have, if you're doing sweet, you're going to need cinnamon and nutmeg, and you could probably have cloves, and let me try to think of what else. I said cinnamon, hey? Yeah, those are my top favorites because you can blend so many different dishes with that. So I think those are my top ones, fresh ones.
Okay, and
Yes.
Chef Mel, how do I get the best bread ever?
Okay, the best bread ever is easy. You need to relax, okay? Because bread making can feel the stress. So when I make bread, and you can make thousands of different breads, but use the freshest ingredients possible. So you want fresh flour, your yeast must be fresh, but if your yeast isn't fresh, you can still use it, so it can be like a year old or something like that. But I use sugar and a little bit of flour to activate my yeast in the beginning, and then obviously I use salt, but then with the bread you can use different things on top of it. You can use olives, fresh extra virgin olive oil, you can use capers, anchovies, anything, so have a little bit of fun, and the bread will do the talking.